This video explains exactly why masturbation will cause a human being to become crippled and blind in one eye. In order to explain exactly why masturbation will cause a human being to become crippled and blind in one eye, it is first necessary to know the true nature of what a human being is. This picture shows a model human body. Most people who are asked what a human being is would say the creature shown in this picture is a human being. The creature in this picture is not really what a human being is. A human being is something else entirely different. This picture shows a creature with its tail in its mouth. This design of a creature swallowing its own tail is called the Ouroboros symbol. The Ouroboros symbol is associated with a variety of different religious and mystical belief systems. There are also a variety of different theories about the meaning of the Ouroboros symbol. The creature in this picture could be a fox, a dragon, or some other creature. For the purposes of this video, the creature will be treated as if it is a snake. This picture shows what a snake looks like. A snake is a long, cylindrically shaped creature with no arms or legs. This picture compares the Ouroboros symbol to a snake. The similarities that can be seen between the two creatures justify using a snake to represent the Ouroboros symbol. According to Happy Theory, the Ouroboros symbol represents the true nature of a human being. A human being is really two snakes that behave as if they are swallowing their tails, located side by side within the human body shown in this picture. According to Happy Theory, the ancient human beings in the past of human history knew that a human being is really two snakes swallowing their tails. Those ancient human beings created the Ouroboros symbol to pass on the knowledge of what a human being really is to the future generations of humanity. This picture shows two simple circles with the Ouroboros symbol superimposed on them. These two circles will represent the two snakes that are really a human being. For the purposes of this video, the two snakes that are really a human being will be treated as if they are located on the human body as shown in this picture. Each snake covers the human body from a little below the head to the middle of the lower leg. This picture provides a frontal view that displays the relationship between the human body and the two circles that are representing two snakes swallowing their tails. Without discussing or justifying the claim that a human being is really two snakes swallowing their tails, how would knowing that a human being is really two snakes swallowing their tails help in understanding how masturbation makes the human body shown in this picture crippled and blind in one eye? In a healthy human body, both of the snakes should have the same diameter as they do in this picture. According to Happy Theory, the effect of masturbation on the two snakes within the human body is to decrease the diameter of one of the snakes. The decrease in diameter of one of the snakes is what causes the human body shown in this picture to become crippled and blind in one eye. Why does masturbation make one of the snakes shrink in diameter? According to Happy Theory, masturbation can be visualized as forcing one of the snakes to swallow more of its own tail. Here is the picture of the human body with two circles of the same diameter representing snakes superimposed on it. This picture represents the healthy human body. If masturbation causes one of the snakes to shrink in diameter, the picture would change as shown here. One of the snakes is now much smaller in diameter. The next picture shows the frontal view of the snake that has contracted to a smaller size. If each snake is meant to represent one half of the human body, and one snake is reduced in diameter, then that half of the human body must also change in some way. Since the snake contracted in diameter, it seems obvious that the half of the human body corresponding to the contracted snake must also contract. This picture shows the model human body with its posture changed by the contracting body of the snake. The leg on the same side of the body as the smaller snake has been lifted upwards to mimic the lifting upwards of the lower part of the circular snake as it contracts. The shoulder and the arm on the same side of the body as a smaller snake have been pulled downwards to mimic the downward movement of the upper part of the circular snake as the snake is reduced in diameter. As shown in this picture, when the upper part of the snake contracts, it also pulls the head downwards and to the same side of the body as the contracting snake. This picture, with the smaller snake and the changed posture of the body, demonstrates exactly how masturbation makes a human being crippled and blind in one eye. A human being is really two snakes swallowing their tails. These two snakes are located within the body shown in this picture at approximately the location shown in this picture. Masturbation forces one of the snakes to swallow more of its tail, which causes the diameter of the snake to decrease. Because the snake represents one half of the human body, everything on the same side of the human body as the contracting snake will contract in towards the center of the body. The leg on the same side of the body as the contracting snake will be pulled up towards the center of the body. The shoulder and the arm on the same side of the body as the contracting snake will be pulled down towards the center of the body. The head will also be pulled down and towards the side of the body corresponding to the contracting snake. The human body in this picture is crippled. One leg is shorter than it should be, which will cause the body to walk in an unbalanced manner. One arm and shoulder are no longer in their proper location, which will cause the upper torso and arm to move in an unbalanced way. The human body in this picture is blind in one eye. The head is both tilted to one side and pointing downwards from its proper position. The tilting and pointing of the head away from its proper position will exert pressure on the eye on that side of the head, causing it to go blind.